Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X7 and the Mahindra Thar, highlighting their distinct characteristics. We'll explore how these two vehicles, despite both being SUVs, serve entirely different purposes. The BMW X7 is a premium, spacious family vehicle, while the Mahindra Thar is a compact, robust off-roader. Understanding these fundamental differences is key to appreciating each vehicle's unique appeal. When it comes to performance, the BMW X7 delivers refined power with its 3.0-liter six-cylinder petrol engine, producing 375 horsepower. It pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive for smooth cruising. The Mahindra Thar, on the other hand, focuses on rugged capability, offering a 2.0-liter petrol engine with 150 horsepower. Its impressive 226mm ground clearance and 650mm water wading depth make it an off-road champion. Inside, the BMW X7 is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring high-quality materials, a large 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen, and even gesture controls. It offers a serene ride with adaptive air suspension and a panoramic moonroof. The Mahindra Thar, however, embraces a more utilitarian approach. Its interior is designed for durability and practicality, featuring a 7-inch touchscreen and robust seating, perfect for adventurous journeys where comfort is secondary to resilience. In terms of size, the BMW X7 is a substantial vehicle, stretching over 5 meters in length and offering seating for 6 or 7 occupants. Its price starts around $84,300. The Mahindra Thar is a much more compact SUV, measuring under 4 meters long and seating 4 people. With a starting price around $12,000, it offers incredible value for off-road enthusiasts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.